Hi friends, today I'm gonna reviewing an amazing Android app which helps you to set a time for taking break from your busy life. When you switch Thrive mode, everything is away from you. Stay calm and spend the time with your loved ones. Let's start. Install. Open the app. Press Next. Just double tap Center. Here you can set duration. Enable permission. Calls, text, notifications. Enable all the permissions. Interesting thing, app only allows users to set customized preferences after the first Thrive mode. OK. Press Activate. Yes, now on Thrive mode, below time countdown. In between, if you want to quit, just double tap. After the first Thrive mode, app allows you to customize. You can find it from home interface. Just set up,